Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Chiliz. So Chiliz is a special crypto. I think before we start, it is good to say that Chiliz has potential to the top side. Yeah, if you look here to the chart, then you can recognize we start from 0.001 cent, we go to $1, and reach here 15 cent, 36 cent. So the range is here between 0 and $1, and we pendling at 30 cent. And you can recognize that we are not in these levels, we are in this level. So we are near 0. So you have to look here. This is our channel, and that what happening here is only a retest. Look, yeah. So next step is to go here to the downside, but let's understand why the price will go here to the downside. Let's look to Bitcoin chart. Then you can recognize here that we have reached, or if I draw here, you can see that we have here a positive trend to the top side, and here is important, yeah, to stay here at these levels and go here to the top side, or make here a retest and then fall to the downside. And it seems that Bitcoin will go here to the downside, but we have also a very dangerous positive RSI. That means we could go quick to 50,000 levels. Yeah, so prepare yourself. Both is possible, but I would say short-term positive, long-term negative. That we will go here to the downside. Let's look to let's look to this Chiliz. So we recognize at Bitcoin that we reach a critical point or negative area in which we could fall to the downside. Let's look to the Chile levels. So you can see we have here, we try this level to break this level often. Yeah, you can see one time we go here to the downside, then we try here a little bit in this direction, one time, two time, three time. And I think this is a fake outbreak, especially if you look to this formation, then you can recognize that is not the real outbreak here. Maybe if Bitcoin goes to 50,000, then we make here 40 cent levels or something like that, yeah. And then I see no potential to the top side. Yeah? That means we have to go here to the downside, yeah. Especially if you look the negative trend channel here is active in this level. So I think if you look, we have a really good potential to the downside here. So you can see if I draw here, we go in the negative area. This is not possible. So we have to find out a new area in which we could stay. Yeah. So my opinion is that we will go in this level. So back maybe 0.01 cent, 4 cent, or 5 cent. Hard to say, but is this the real? Because this is a very worse formation. I know the greenhorns and the moon boys, they want higher prices, and they say, okay, the price will go here to the top side, but uh, I not like this formation, especially if you look here to these areas. It's very negative. And let's look here to this area. Let me check this, please. Yeah, one moment. I can check this a little bit for you, and then we can recognize in which levels we could go. So it's a very hard, how can I say, a formation to understand. Yeah, It's not easy to understand, but it is really bad formation. Let's look here once again. Especially this area is interesting for us. If we look, I want to understand this real. Let's check. We make here a break and say, okay, we want only analyze this area. Let's look. This was the line, yeah. And then you can recognize from this line the last steps. Yeah, you can see we are near ending. Yeah, maybe this move or this move, and then I see no potential at the moment. Let's look. We could go here to the top side, and then the negative trend begins. So let me check this way. So I think we will go here to this level 005, 006. In the past, I not thought or think about this price levels to the downside. Yeah, I thought, okay, the price will go to these levels, yeah, 20 cent or 20 areas, or 25 in these areas, and then we will go here to 15 cent or 10 cent, yeah. But this move here to the top side show me that the walls won't bring the price levels or levels really to the downside. The reason is after this downside, a really big bull run will start. Yeah, that means after that we will go here really, really fast to the top side. Yeah, many of the people not see this. They think, okay, the bull run is already started, but at the moment it's very danger in my eyes, because if you look here this formation, we are still in a negative trend. Yeah, many people not see this, but you can see with your own eyes we are coming to the very danger and red area. Yeah, hard to analyze this. Yeah, especially if you look, price levels is 20 cent, and the last action of the walls is this. Yeah, yeah, you can see this area move from 19 cent to 36 cent, so that the people should thought, okay, or think, yeah, we will go here to the top side. Let's say, okay, we break here out. What I not think, yeah. Um, Even here is this outbreak is not possible. Yeah. 100% is not sure, but let's say we will here break here out. Then we have to go to the downside again to retest. So both are right. Yeah, even if we break here to the top side, we have to test again, or we go here to the downside directly. So have a nice day.